Have you discovered Pattern Fill in Cricut Design Space? It's a really fun feature that you can use to customise your designs. I've got two previous videos, part 1 and part 2, that will introduce you to this feature. So subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more hints, tips and inspiration. First, we're going to look at how you can upload your own pattern design that you may have created in another software package, for instance Inkscape, Affinity Designer or maybe even Procreate. I'm starting with a basic shape and clicking on the upload button on the left hand toolbar. Then click on Pattern Fill and upload pattern. You can then browse the files on your computer and find the design that you want to upload. Here I'm selecting a design that I created in Inkscape, which has a transparent background. I'm going to open it and it will appear as a print then cut pattern. I can then go and upload that into Design Space. I can then return to my project and I can go up to the top toolbar and use the operation feature to change from a cut to a print then cut file and then choose the pattern fill. You'll then be able to see that your pattern is uploaded into one of those squares on the scrollable patterns. Click on the design and then you'll see it upload into your shape. The edit pattern button then becomes highlighted, so you can then go in and change it. Again, use that sort of toggle to be able to make your pattern smaller or enlarge it. Rotate it and basically have a play. Once you're happy with your pattern, just close down the box and you'll see that it is now inside the shape. As I mentioned at the start, my design's actually got a transparent background. So if I go ahead and actually create a square by selecting one from the Shapes button and bring it up to the same size as my pattern, I can send it to the back using the Arrange tool, and then I can play around by changing the colour of that square to make different patterns. Quite fun scrolling through all different colours just to see how different the pattern looks with different coloured backgrounds. Once you're happy with the colours, go ahead and select all the layers by clicking and dragging the mouse and click flatten. This will make it into a print and cut file. You'll see that there's a black square box around your design. This helps the machine to calibrate so that it knows where to cut. Click send to printer, and then in the next box you can decide whether you want to add a bleed or not. On this occasion, because I'm just going to print it out, I'm going to turn that off, but I am going to select use system dialog because then I can choose what my printer's properties are. You can also upload copyright free designs from different websites. Today I've chosen a very bright and colourful flower background from Pixabay. You'll notice that this design is free for commercial use, and it's very important to make sure that you're not infringing any copyright restrictions. I'm going to click the free download and I'm going to continue to download it as a PNG file. I can then click on the file, give it a name and save it into my downloads folder. And then we're going to repeat the process of uploading that pattern into our pattern fill library by uploading the design into Cricut Design Space. And as before, the design can then be edited and you can play around with it to get the required design. You can have so much fun with this pattern fill feature. I hope you found this tutorial interesting. Please do give me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications of my upcoming videos.